Hey guys, today I'll help you out with 7 cute hairstyles which will help you survive through the week without washing your hair a lot. So let's get started. So for the first look, I have created 2 sections of my hair and started doing braids like we normally do. It doesn't have to be perfect, so don't try too hard, and once it's done, secure it with a rubber band. Then I'm just pulling my hair out to make it a bit messy and do it from the both sides. Then I'm just taking one section and placing it on top of my head like a headband and securing it with a pin. Doing the same from the other side as well, and again secure it with pins, and that's it. Looks so fresh, and this way you won't get any hair on your face during summer as well. For second day here, I'm doing a side partition. You can pick any side. I'm doing a left one, to be honest. I'm just comfortable with both. Then I'm separating some of my front hair, very thin layer, not too much of my hair, and securing it with a clutcher. Then I'm just combing out rest of my hair to create a basic ponytail. You can choose the height of your ponytail according to your choice, and again tie it with a rubber band. Then just simply take the front section, comb it a little bit and pin it behind your ears with a pin, and the rest of it under your ponytail. And to fix those little baby hair, I just use a toothbrush and hairspray. Spray some of it on your toothbrush and just brush those little baby hair away. You can even use any used mascara brush and you'll be just good to go. This hairstyle is super chic and elegant and is even perfect for your office or meetings, or if you just want to experiment a bit with your basic ponytail. For third day, I'm just creating a mid partition and then taking small portion of my hair and roughly twisting it and just securing it with a rubber band. If more hair come out of the bun, then just hold them still with the help of U-shaped pins, and that's literally about it. Do the same from the other side as well, and doesn't it look super cute, you guys? Keeps your hair away from face and looks so casual yet fun to carry. You can even keep your hair back or front, and it's totally up to you. So fourth day, I'm going easy with my hair. I'm just braiding the front section of my hair from both the sides. I'm doing very basic and simple one, but if you know how to add variations to your basic braids, then do so. It looks super fun, and once it's done from both the sides, I just leave them like that. Such an easy and a fun way to let your hair down. Saves a lot of your time too. You can even add a headband or a scarf to make it your own look. Then in the same look, I'm just putting all of my hair back in a messy bun for fifth day. Doesn't have to be perfect, you guys, just messy. And then I'm also taking my braids and securing them at back around my messy bun with pins. Do it from both the sides and you're just done. A very cute look to carry with casual outfits like dresses, maxi skirts and whatnot. Let me know how are you guys liking them so far. For the sixth day, I'm just twisting a very thin section of my hair, and yes, that's a ring. I'm putting a ring inside like this and securing it at back with a pin. Then I'm taking one more thin section and doing the same thing with it. Twist, add the ring and pin it at back. Then I'm taking rest of my hair and putting it in a ponytail. You do not even need to comb it, guys, as it gives a really nice texture to your hair, and that's it. This is how it looks. You guys must be thinking at first, why rings? But looks super cool, right? Create your own version with it and tag me in your stories so that I can see them. And lastly, for the seventh day, I'm just putting all of my hair in a messy bun. Just the basic twist, roll, secure and pin. If extra hair comes out, always secure them with pins, and that's it. Such a no-brainer look for the last day of the week. So guys, if you loved the ideas, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!